on my client's front porch, and we have done a little bit of styling. We ordered some rugs, we ordered some furniture, and we still have a long way to go before this project is really finished. We still have accessories to add, colors and things like that. But I wanted to give you my tip for being able to pick out those little spots to know exactly what you need for your space, because a lot of times it's difficult to know what you need just by standing out here and looking. So my huge important tip is for you to take out your cell phone, frame up the shot, take a picture of the space, and then take a look. Because what that does is to frame out, it takes away all of your peripheral vision of what's happening around, if you're missing walls or there's trees and things like that, and it contains it to your view that you're used to seeing maybe if you're looking at a magazine or a Pinterest photo, and it hones in that vision and gives you the perfect view so that you can see what you need in your space. If it's a little bit of color here or a little, maybe a grouping of 3 over there, that will give you the perfect guide that you need to start that final accessorizing that you need for your space.